Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business brand post using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import a strong brand image. I duplicate the layer before touching anything. Inside Camera Raw filter, I apply film grain very gently. I stop for a second and feel the mood change. Branding in business is about emotion and trust. I adjust grain roughness so the texture feels natural. I zoom in to protect details and edges. I zoom out and add business brand text carefully. The final post feels confident, memorable, and premium. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.